Unveiling the hidden signs, exploring the symptoms of copper deficiency. Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of health and wellness. Today, we're delving into a topic that often goes unnoticed but can have a profound impact on your overall well-being: copper deficiency. Yes, you heard that right, copper isn't just for pennies. In this video, we'll be uncovering the lesser-known symptoms of copper deficiency and discussing why this vital mineral plays such a crucial role in our bodies. So, grab your favorite cozy blanket, settle in, and let's embark on this enlightening journey together. The marvel of copper. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of symptoms, let's take a moment to appreciate the marvel that is copper. Copper is an essential trace mineral that plays a pivotal role in various physiological processes. From energy production to iron metabolism, connective tissue formation to immune system support, copper is a true multitasker. It's a key component of many enzymes that keep our bodies functioning like well-oiled machines. The dance of symptoms. Now, let's dive into the intriguing realm of symptoms that can arise when our bodies lack sufficient copper. Remember, copper deficiency might not be the first thing that comes to mind when you're feeling under the weather, but it could be a silent contributor to your discomfort. 1. Fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired all the time? Copper deficiency might be one of the culprits. Copper plays a vital role in energy production within our cells. Without enough copper, our cells struggle to generate the energy we need to power through our daily activities, leaving us feeling drained and weak. 2. Pale skin and anemia. Copper is closely intertwined with iron metabolism. A deficiency in copper can hinder the absorption of iron from the gut, potentially leading to anemia. Anemia is characterized by pale skin, fatigue, shortness of breath, and a general feeling of weakness. If you've been noticing these symptoms, it might be time to consider your copper intake. 3. Connective tissue woes. Copper is a key player in the synthesis of collagen, a protein that forms the building blocks of our skin, blood vessels, and connective tissues. Without enough copper, these tissues may become weaker, leading to joint pain, brittle bones, and even an increased risk of fractures. 4. Cognitive changes. Believe it or not, copper deficiency can also impact our brain health. Copper is involved in the production of neurotransmitters that regulate mood and cognitive function. A lack of copper might contribute to mood swings, difficulty concentrating, and even memory problems. 5. Hair and skin troubles. Copper is a crucial component of the enzyme tyrosinase, which is essential for the production of melanin, the pigment responsible for our hair and skin color. A copper deficiency could lead to premature graying of hair and pale, dull skin. 6. Immune system suppression. A well-functioning immune system is our body's defense against infections and illnesses. Copper deficiency can compromise the immune system's ability to fight off invaders, leaving us more susceptible to infections and slower to recover. Who's at risk? Now that we're familiar with the diverse range of symptoms, you might be wondering who's most susceptible to copper deficiency. Well, let's shed some light on that. A. Malabsorption conditions. Individuals with certain digestive disorders, like celiac disease or Crohn's disease, might have trouble absorbing copper from their diets. This can put them at a higher risk of developing copper deficiency. B. Gastric bypass surgery. If you've undergone gastric bypass surgery, your body's ability to absorb copper could be compromised. Monitoring your copper levels and ensuring adequate intake post-surgery is crucial. C. Exclusive breastfeeding. While breast milk is packed with nutrients, it might not provide enough copper for exclusively breastfed infants. As they grow, introducing copper-rich foods becomes important to prevent deficiencies. D. High zinc intake. Zinc and copper share a delicate balance within the body. Excessive zinc supplementation, especially without a corresponding increase in copper intake, can interfere with copper absorption and utilization. Nourishing your copper quotient. Now that we've unraveled the intricate web of copper deficiency, it's time to discuss how to keep your copper levels in check. A. Nutrient-rich foods. Incorporate copper-rich foods into your diet. Think organ meats, liver, kidney, shellfish, oysters, crab, nuts and seeds, cashews, sunflower seeds, whole grains, oats, barley, and dark leafy greens, spinach, kale. B. Balance is key. While copper is essential, remember that too much of a good thing can be harmful. Aim for a balanced diet that provides the right amount of copper without tipping the scales. C. Supplements under supervision. If you suspect a copper deficiency, consult a healthcare professional before starting any supplements. Copper supplements should only be taken under medical guidance to avoid imbalances. There you have it, folks, an in-depth exploration of the fascinating and often overlooked world of copper deficiency. Our bodies are intricate systems that rely on the harmony of various nutrients, and copper plays a leading role in maintaining that balance. If you've been experiencing any of the symptoms we discussed, it might be worth considering your copper intake. Remember, a well-nourished body is a happy body, so let's keep those copper levels in check and embark on our journey to optimal health. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more engaging content on health, wellness, and all things fabulous. Until next time, take care of yourselves and shine on.